Good morning. This is Mr. Burns, CPDLF science instructor, and we're doing chemistry launch 10. It is Monday, November 6th, and I'd like to welcome you to this launch. Just to talk about what we did last week, we worked on conservation of mass with balanced equations. And if you remember that one, there was questions on why we need to balance equations. Okay, what law does that violate if they aren't balanced? Should we start with the same amount of material and end up with the same amount of material in a balanced equation? Think about that. But if anybody has a hard time with that, please let me know. We did quiz 5, chapter review. That was number 3.20. We took the Unit 3 test, 322. We worked on the golden years of chemistry. That's lesson 4.1. The Masters of Classic Atomic Theory, 4.4. And quiz 1, the golden years to masters. In the golden years of chemistry and the Masters of Classic Atomic Theory, they talked about Thomson's method, or Thomson's idea, at least, of how the atom is structured. The nucleus in the middle with the electrons on the outside of it, and he originally thought that the space inside was positively charged. It wasn't till later on that they discovered that there's protons also in there that cause it to have a positive charge. Remember, he called it the plum pudding model. Okay, that comes from him. Okay, for this week, you're going to do designing an organizational map, the periodic table, number 4.6. The periodic table is, it's just such a huge, an amazing document that has been put together, including all sorts of things on all the different elements. Lots and lots and lots of good information in there. Anyway, that's number 4.6. We're going to take quiz 2. Golden years to the periodic table, that's number 4.7. The electron configuration, 4.8. Light spectra and excited states, 4.9. And quiz 3, the golden years to the Bohr model, 4.10. Charging up, ionization of atoms, 4.11. As you go through that, if there's anything tough in there that I can help you with, please let me know. A lot of information on atoms and the structure of atoms, electrons, protons, neutrons, all of that in there. They're just the things that make up our world. Okay, my reflection question for this week is, why must chemical equations be balanced? Again, why must chemical equations be balanced? Okay, there's a very good reason for that, and it goes back to the laws. And for most of you, that'll be a very simple question, but it's very important. And lots of times, students will send me in an equation that they say is balanced, and it isn't really balanced. Okay, there's something wrong. You have to have the same number of atoms of each element on both sides of the equation. If I have nitrogen on the left and I have 4 of them, I better have 4 nitrogen somehow on the right, or chlorine, or anything else. Okay, once again, I wish you a great week, and let's keep in good communication. I want to see you be successful. So have a good day, and I'm sure we'll be talking. Bye now.